Today we will install Vagrant in Ubuntu 25.10. Open browser and search Vagrant. Click on HashiCorp developer website. Click on Install. If you have macOS, use macOS. If you have Windows, you can use Windows. We have Ubuntu, so we will use Ubuntu, but if you have any other Linux, you can select that and copy-paste the code in terminal. And remember, replace the code in the second line with what you've seen on the display, because the Vagrant is officially not available for questing. So we can use the Noble repo. There isn't have much difference in between them, so it will work. Now run sudo apt update. After complete the update, run the sudo apt install Vagrant and wait for installation. I'm pausing the video. After installation, I'll resume the video. Now the installation is completed. Now we will check whether Vagrant is installed successfully. Run Vagrant --version. Thanks for watching. I hope this Vagrant installation tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.